The hippocampus is a curved part located towards the base of the brain. It is responsible for creating memories and helping to consolidate memories from our short-term memory into our long-term memory.
Listen and repeat.
Consolidate. Encode. Memory retention. Neocortex. Prefrontal cortex. Synapse. Consolidate. Encode. Memory retention. Neocortex. Prefrontal cortex. Synapse.
Encode. Prefrontal cortex. Synapse. Memory retention. Neocortex. Consolidate.
How memories are formed. In the 1950s, researchers discovered that memories are created by an area of the brain called the hippocampus. The hippocampus encodes facts and emotions, and then the prefrontal cortex, or memory center of the brain, stores these memories. A popular theory stated that memories were first stored in the short-term memory, before more meaningful ones were transferred to the long-term memory. However, researchers at the Michigan Institute of Technology, MIT, in the USA, have shown that in fact the brain makes two memories of events at the same time, one for the short-term memory and another for the long-term memory. The short-term memory can hold about 6 or 7 items for around 30 seconds, whereas the long-term memory is thought to have unlimited storage. After a long-term memory has been formed, the more the neural pathways and synapses are activated, the stronger that memory becomes. Memories are not stored individually, though. They are made up of different pieces of information linked together and are reconstructed using different parts of the brain. Sleep is very important for good memory retention. When we are asleep, the hippocampus communicates with the neocortex. It replays recent events, and the neurons that were active during an experience are reactivated during sleep. This process allows the brain to sort out which memories are meaningful enough to be stored. So, if we don't get enough sleep, we might notice that our memory becomes weaker due to the fact that we are not allowing the brain the chance to consolidate our memories.
How memories are formed. In the 1950s, researchers discovered that when it comes to memories, an area of the brain called the hippocampus creates the memories. The hippocampus encodes facts, episodes, and emotions. Then, another area of the brain called the prefrontal cortex is the memory center and stores these memories in the short-term memory and then moves the more meaningful memories to the long-term memory. The popular theory was that all memories start in short-term memory and then over time they are consolidated into a lifetime version. However, researchers at MIT have recently discovered something even more amazing. Their research has proved that the brain actually makes two memories of events at the same time. One is for the short-term memory and the second is for the long-term memory. Therefore, Two parts of the brain are involved in collecting and storing personal experiences. Short-term memory can hold about 6 or 7 items for about 30 seconds. Long-term memories tend to be abstract, more like concepts. Once a long-term memory is formed, the more the pathway or synapse is activated, then the stronger the memory becomes. Memories are not stored individually though. They are different pieces of information linked together, and they are reconstructed using different parts of the brain. Sleep is very important for memory retention. When we are asleep, the hippocampus and the neocortex conduct a kind of dialogue, during which the hippocampus replays recent events. The neurons that were active during an experience are reactivated during sleep, and this helps the neocortex sort out what needs to be stored. So if you are not getting enough sleep, you will start to notice that your memory becomes weaker, because what you are doing is you are preventing your brain from consolidating memories.